Hey there, I'm going to show you how to draw an ice cream cone tower. If you're new to my channel, please support me by liking this video and be sure to stick around and check out the other amazing art videos and art lessons on my channel, Rainbow Parrot Art. And please subscribe. I'm using a long, thin piece of paper that matches the tall, thin shape of my ice cream cone tower. This paper measures 9 by 14 inches, but you can use whatever size paper you want. I'm starting off by making a light pencil mark where I want the bottom of my ice cream cone to be, and another pencil mark where I want the top of my ice cream to be. This line here indicates the height of the actual cone. My ice cream scoops will start here and go all the way to the top line. I'm adding a line in the middle so that I can divide this in half. I'm marking off 3 spaces on the bottom half and 3 more spaces on the top for a total of 6 spaces for 6 ice cream scoops. In the area that I've indicated for the cone, I am drawing the actual cone. Right above this, I'm adding my first ice cream scoop. Notice how it's round on top and rough and wavy on the bottom. The next scoop will be squished right on top of the bottom scoop. This slanted line indicates the bottom edge of the scoop. Now I'm going back and drawing the wavy edge of the scoop, and I'm drawing the round dome shape on top. Now that I'm done drawing the second scoop, I'm going back and erasing any pencil lines that I no longer need. To draw my next scoop, I'm first cutting off the top of the scoop beneath it. I'm using this line to guide me as I draw the wavy bottom edge of this ice cream scoop. Next, I'm drawing the round dome on top. And then I'm going back and erasing the pencil marks I no longer need. Again, I'm drawing a line to cut off the top edge of the scoop. I'm drawing the wavy, rough bottom edge, and then adding the dome on top. And once again, cutting off the top edge of the scoop and using this line to guide me as I draw the wavy bottom, then drawing the top dome. Okay, final time. A straight line cuts off the top. This line guides me as I draw the bottom edge of my final ice cream scoop, and then drawing the dome on top. Now I'm going back, making my lines darker and erasing any pencil marks that I no longer need. I'm done drawing the ice cream scoops, so now I get to go back and decorate them. You may want to draw different ice cream toppings such as whipped cream, syrup, and sprinkles. I'm adding a unicorn horn to the top scoop. I start with a long triangle shape and then fill in the details. Then I'm adding a couple ears, a mouth, a couple squinting eyes with lashes, and a couple cute oval cheeks. Now I'm adding some sprinkles. For the next scoop, I'm drawing a smiley mouth and 2 large round eyes. I'm outlining inside the edge of the eyes and adding a couple shiny whiteys inside the eyes. For the next scoop, I'm adding some wavy syrup on top, then a couple squinting eyes, a rabbit-style mouth, and 2 cute oval cheeks. The next scoop will have a mouth with a tongue sticking out, and 2 large round eyes with shiny whiteys, and textured lower lids. The scoop below this will have a rabbit mouth, 2 oval cheeks, and large round eyes. I'm adding a couple shiny whiteys inside the eyes. The last scoop will have a large open smile and 2 large eyes with textured lower lids. Once you're done drawing, you may like to add some fun details to the background. I'm adding some stars. To draw a star, I first draw a 5-point star using very light pencil marks. I outline around the edge of the star. I like to round the points of the star because it looks cuter. Then, after erasing any pencil marks inside the star, I can draw a face. This face has a large smile and 2 tiny eyes. I'm now adding a festive banner across the top. Then I'm drawing some fun patterns and details inside the flags. Now that I'm all done drawing, I'm ready to add color. I like to test my colors on a scratch paper first so that I know what color I'm using. First, I carefully outline around the edge of the area that I'm coloring in. In this case, I'm filling in the inside with a slightly lighter color so that my ice cream scoop looks more three-dimensional. I'm using an ultrafine Sharpie to outline around the edge of the eyes, then filling in the pupil using black. I'm using alcohol-based markers to color in my ice cream. You may also like to use colored pencils or Crayola markers. It's totally up to you. The bottom scoop is going to be blue raspberry, while the scoop above it is going to be chocolate. You can choose whatever colors and ice cream flavors you like. To color in the eyes, I outline around the edge and trace around the shiny whiteys. Then I fill it in, leaving the shiny whiteys white. When you're done adding color, grab an ultrafine Sharpie and outline your drawing to make everything pop out. Be sure to outline around the edge of your ice cream scoops as well. This will make your drawing pop and look amazing. For this part, I'm using a medium thick Sharpie. Don't forget to color in the details of your background. I hope you love how your ice cream cone turns out. Please support me by subscribing and be sure to check out the other amazing art tutorials on my channel, Rainbow Parrot Art.